rockabye and I'll have blocks. Ready? Rockabye baby on the treetop. When one blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come Jakey. Cradle and yay! Okay, sit up, buddy. Sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. Sit up. Thanks, good job. Look, I have some blocks for you.
What
What do you want?
Block.
Good asking. Here you go. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Here's some blocks. Look, here's our red one. Some yellow ones. There we go, buddy. I don't know what to do. Let's see.
Yeah, some tapping and some receptive would be awesome.
Eva. Eva.
All right.
Eva.
Give me the blocks.
Eva.
Give me the blocks. Good
Eva.
job. Here you go.
Eva.
Now stack up. This one. All right, buddy. My turn. Give me the blocks. Give me the blocks. Good job. Hey, bud. Touch. 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 Good. Hey, give me the duck. Way to go. Good job. A duck says, way to go. Good job, buddy. What do you want?
Block.
Good asking. Here. My turn. My turn. If you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it. Good job. Arms up. There you go. There you go. Hey, do you want blocks or rockabye?
Rockabye.
Okay. Come here. Here we go. Rockabye baby on the tree. When the wind blows, the cradle will wet. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come Jakey. Cradle and oh, you got my clickers. Tickle, 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 tickle. What do you want? Tickle, 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 tickles. Tickles, 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 tickles. Hey, snake says, good job, good job. Dog says, good job. Way to go. Hey, sit crisscross. Sit crisscross. Oh, that's clapping. Tony, sit crisscross. Good sitting crisscross. Good looking. Here you go, buddy. All right. Touch. Touch. This one. Touch. Good job. Say, hey. Give me the tiger. There's the tiger. Way to go. There's the tiger. Give me the cup. Good job. What is it? What is it? Cup. Good. Touch cup. Good. Touch cup. Look at it. Touch cup. Good looking. Way to go. All right. Give me the chicken. Good job! Way to go. It's a chicken. Hey, do this one. Oh, good trying. Right here. This one. There you go. Way to go, buddy. Good job. What do you want? What do you want? No, but we can have candy right now. There you go. Come sit down. Thanks, pal. Do you want blocks or pig?